Humans make a lot of noise pretty much all of the time. But today I want to specifically talk about when they're sleeping. Because yes, humans make noise when they're sleeping. I would say it's kind of a growling sound, and the humans call this snoring. Now, I think that this is a self defense measure because you're not going to approach a growling human. But my friend says this is just because humans never shut up. So if you're a human, could you please explain yourself? Or better help me understand? Thanks and have a good day.